My name is Alan Kaye. I'm an immigration lawyer. I have over 40 years experience practicing immigration, naturalization, visa, and consular law. Today, I would like to tell you of some developments in the immigration field. On our last program, we talked about immigration through employment. The first program, we talked about immigration through family. Now I'm just going to give you some recent developments. Now, immigration is proposing to increase their fees by an average of 21%. But the most important fee increase you should know about is they're thinking of increasing the fee for naturalization. And so the N-400 naturalization fee, which has been $640, is going to go up to $1,170. So if you're thinking of filing for naturalization, if you do it quickly, you will be able to save a good deal of money because you can file before the fee goes up. That's one important thing to keep in mind. Secondly, the immigration district offices in New York are opening up. That means Long Island and Manhattan, and they'll be opening up June 15th. Now, they won't be opening up for everything. The first thing they'll be opening up for is naturalization ceremonies. We'll be called in to be sworn in, no guests, limit of about 10 different people in the room, all having naturalization ceremonies. You'll have to wear a mask. They will ask you on the way in if you're feeling okay, because if you're sick, you're not feeling okay, they don't want you to come in. They want you to bring a blue or black pen, and that's when you'll have your naturalization ceremony, and most likely you'll become an American citizen by getting a citizenship certificate, and then you can go and file for a US passport. The next phase of reopening will be calling people in for naturalization interviews. That's a situation where you filed for naturalization, you didn't get called for interview, or you got called and it was postponed. And so you'll get a notice to come for your interview. It will tell you again to wear a mask and bring a black or blue pen. No guests. If you need a translator, they will take care of that. That's phase 2, naturalization interviews for your naturalization. The next phase will be calling you in to what's called the application support centers, where you'll be called in for fingerprinting. Now, some of you may have been called for fingerprinting and it was postponed. Some of you may not have even gotten called for fingerprinting, but basically that'll be in July. People will be getting notices to come for their fingerprinting to the application support centers. Now, immigration in New York will be working, about 20% will be working in the building and 80% will be working at home remotely. And so when and if that's going to change, but things will be slowly reopening the same way our office will be slowly reopening. So in the meantime, all of this, what's going on in New York, is laid out in a brochure, which I will be happy to send you. It talks about what's going on in New York District Office, meaning Long Island and Manhattan. Manhattan office includes Brooklyn people, Queens people, Manhattan people. The Long Island office is different. So feel free to call me or send me an email if you have any questions. I'll be happy to send you the New York brochure about what's going on. And I will be back on our next program to talk about something interesting. Let me know what you'd like me to talk about. Let me know what you find interesting. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.